Software for lost data recovery. Try SysTools Data Recovery Toolkit. Let's discuss key features first. Comprehensive data recovery. Recover lost data from HDDs, SSDs, USB drives, SD cards, and more. Virtual machine and disk image support. Restore data from VMware VMDK and Hyper, VVHD, VHDX files. Granular recovery and preview. Scan, preview, and extract specific files before recovery. Broad storage compatibility. Supports internal, external drives, pen drives, and E01 image files. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Data Recovery Toolkit. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools Data Recovery Toolkit. This software allows you to recover data from various storage devices, such as hard drive, SSD, pen drive, Hyper-V, VMware machine, and E01 files. We'll proceed with the hard drive option, but users can select a different option based on their needs. The SysTools Hard Drive Data Recovery window will open. Here, you need to select the disk drive you want to recover data from, such as C, D, E, or any other available drive. After selecting your preferred drive, you'll see two recovery options. The first is Scan, which recovers only deleted data, and the second is Formatted Scan, which should be used if the drive has been formatted. In this video, we'll choose the Scan option, but users can select whichever suits their needs. On the right panel, you can also view the hard drive properties. Now, click on Scan to proceed. Click on No to continue. On the left panel, click the Expand button to view the folders inside. Select a folder to see its contents, and the recovered data will be displayed on the right panel. At the bottom left, you'll find Filter View options, which allow you to display specific file types such as photos, audio, videos, emails, databases, documents, archives, executables, disk images, and deleted items. To view only deleted files, click on the Deleted Items filter. On the right side, you can see the deleted items highlighted in red. The first column, Name, displays the names of all the files. The Created Date column shows when each file was originally created, while the Modified Date column indicates the last time it was edited. The Last Accessed Date column shows when the file was last opened, and the Size column displays the file sizes. Finally, the File Path column reveals the file's original location on the drive. You can also use the search filter to locate a specific file. If you want to save the recovered deleted data, simply select the files by checking their checkboxes, or use the top checkbox to select all. Then, click on the Save Deleted Data button at the top to proceed. If you want to export all the deleted data, select the Save All Data option. This will open the export window, where you need to set the destination path for the recovered files. Click on Browse. Choose the desired folder or location, and then click Open. The selected export path will be displayed. There is also an option labeled Don't Save Recovered Deleted Data, which prevents the recovery of deleted files. Once all settings are configured, click Save to begin the export process. Once the process is complete, a message will appear confirming that the export has been successfully completed. Clicking the OK button will take you directly to the exported folder. The software also generates an export report for reference. Now, open the folder to view the recovered data, where you will find all the restored files. And that's it. That's how you can recover data using SysTools Data Recovery Toolkit software.
Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.